Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Prosper Marketplace for income tracking, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Prosper Marketplace website. Once the homepage loads, locate the sign up button. Click on the sign up button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to the registration form. Fill in the required information such as your name and email address. Create a secure password that meets the listed criteria. Review the terms and conditions of the platform. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance. Click the Create Account button to submit your registration. You may receive a confirmation email shortly after. Open the confirmation email and click the verification link inside. This will redirect you back to the Prosper Marketplace site. Log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your account dashboard. Look for the Income Tracking feature in the menu. Click on the Income Tracking link to access the section. Follow the prompts to link your financial accounts as needed. Select the accounts you wish to track for income purposes. Authorize Prosper Marketplace to access these accounts for data retrieval. Confirm the synchronization settings to ensure accurate tracking. Review the overview page to familiarize yourself with the interface. Set up any desired notifications related to your income tracking. Your Prosper Marketplace account is now set up for income tracking. Explore the additional features available for financial management. Keep track of your income and adjust settings as necessary. Regularly check your dashboard for updates and insights. You are now fully equipped to utilize Prosper Marketplace for income tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.